Hey everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix the screen flickering in Windows 11. Before we start, I hope you have already checked your device for physical issues like any loose cable or damaged cables. The first option that we can try is to check for Windows update. So to do that, just click on the start menu and then go to settings, and then in here just at the bottom of the page you got Windows update. Just select this one, and then in here just click on check for updates. And then if you can't find any updates in here, then just go to advanced option in here. Then look for the option says optional updates. Click on this one. Then in here under driver update, check to see if any updates available. And if it's not available, then you need to check the manufacturer's website. When you visit the website, just make sure what kind of graphics card you have. And then just click on the graphics and download the relevant one for your computer. Then this should fix the flickering issue. The next option is to update the graphics card driver. So to do that, just right click on the start menu and then just go to device manager and open up the device manager. In here double click on display adapters to expand it, and then right click on your graphics card driver. Then select update driver and then select search automatically for drivers. Then Windows will look for updated driver if it's available for you. If there is no lock for you, then you can go back to the device manager and reinstall the graphics card driver. Right click on the graphics card driver and select uninstall device. Then tick this option, attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then click on uninstall. After you uninstall it, then restart your computer. Then Windows will automatically install the driver again. And the next method is to check for incompatible apps. Open up search and then just type in there apps and features, and then just open it up. And once you open apps and features, then check to see any apps that you are not aware of it and you can uninstall it, as that app might be incompatible or problematic app for your computer. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.